Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Deanna of the Pretty Girls Guide, and I have not done this in so long. I do not even know where to look at on the camera, like to focus my eyes, so bear with me if I look a little crazy while I get used to this again. Today's video, as you can see by the title, is going to be a quick product review slash hair update and a mini tutorial. So let's jump right into it. So the products that I'm reviewing, I can't even hold them all at the same time without being awkward, and there's more down here. Is Suave Professional's new natural line. So it's their natural shea butter and pure coconut oil line that they sent to me to try out and, kind of work with the products and let you know what I thought. So really quickly, I am going to show you what they sent me and then kind of get into the products a little bit. So first thing first, with this line, like all natural hair lines, they are going to give you a shampoo and conditioner. So the shampoo and conditioner says that they have no parabens, no dyes, it's moisture rich and color safe. So for girls who are looking for super duper strictly natural, this line might not be for you, but the fact that it doesn't have any parabens in it and no dyes, if you have sensitive skin or you are worried about your natural hair in general, you can use this line, especially if you have color treated hair. I know that is kind of a hard topic for a lot of naturals who have the natural hair, but they also have color in it. This line is safe for you, girl. So you guys know that I've been wearing my hair straight for maybe almost 2 months now. So I used the shampoo and conditioner the last time I re-blow dried my hair. I've actually really been loving my blow dried hair. It's a lot easier with a baby. For those of you who don't know, I actually had a baby about 3 months ago. So not necessarily dealing with my natural hair in its natural state. You guys know that I have 4C hair and it's super difficult to manage and it's really time consuming. Having my hair straight is really, really helpful. So what I can say about the shampoo and conditioner is, first of all, I love the smell. You guys know that I'm big on smells. And this smells really nice. It actually does have that really good coconut smell. And if you like coconut, you're going to like the smell of this. So that's huge for me. I don't like products that I open it and immediately get a rush of fragrance that is super heavy. I have asthma and allergies. So having really heavy fragrances in my hair, which will eventually be in my face all day, does not work for me. So this line is great. As far as the conditioner, washing my hair, it did provide a lot of slip, which was really important to me. 4C hair, can get a little bit difficult. I did like that the conditioner allowed my hair to be detangled well. Speaking of detangler, this line also has a cream spray detangler, and I will show you guys the consistency of that. There you go. So there's a consistency. It is not, I wouldn't say runny, it dissolves. I guess that's the right word. Dissolves really quickly. I did not personally use this on my hair. I am really big on using, because my hair is so thick, I'm really big on using actual leave-in conditioners or conditioners to do the whole detangling of my hair. I need a lot of conditioning power. The next thing that they have in their line, I'm trying to make sure I show you guys everything before I hop into a couple of other things, is their leave-in conditioner, which I'll actually be using a little bit of this in this video while I do the tutorial. So the leave-in conditioner, it's a Nourish and Strengthen leave-in conditioner, deep treatment for nourished curls. And it's the same as the rest of the line. No parabens, no dyes, moisture rich, and color safe. And this says it is ideal for curly to coily hair, whereas the curl defining cream says that it is ideal for wavy to curly hair. So when you guys are out looking for these products, make sure that you are reading the labels to make sure that you are picking up the right product for your hair. So I'll get back to this in just a second. The Nourish and Strengthen leave-in conditioner, I will show you guys the consistency of that. And it has the same smell, like I said, that coconut smell. So this is thicker than the spray that I just showed you, the detangler. And as you can see, it doesn't just initially, not evaporate. Evaporate, is that the right word? I'm sorry, I have mommy brain. I can't think straight. So it doesn't just initially go away. You do have that thicker, creamier consistency that makes you feel like it'll have a lot of slip. And it'll kind of really get in and penetrate in your hair and be a little bit heavier versus the lighter stuff. So for our girls that do have thicker hair, this a little bit, you know, it's creamier, so it'll be better for us thicker hair girls. And like I said, I'll be using it for this tutorial because I do want to have my hair to have some conditioning in it with the style. Two more things I want to show you guys. Like I was saying, the curl defining cream, this is for the girls who have the looser and more wavy curls. I am not going to use this personally just because I kind of know my hair and I know what's going to work for it, but I will show you the consistency of it. And also I will say, so there's the consistency, you guys can see that. Last thing I do want to show you guys is the Define and Shine Serum. Can you guys see that? I think you guys can. So this is supposed to lock in the moisture for touchable curls. I think depending on how heavy my hair feels after I actually do my style, I am going to put this on top to just give me a little bit of shine. So the things that I will be using today in the video, like I said, will be the leave-in conditioner, the Nourish and Strengthen leave-in conditioner. Now, if you guys are ready, we can get into a quick little update about my hair and then the tutorial. As far as my hair, I am going through some postpartum shedding. I know a lot of you women have asked me about that. And up until about 2 weeks ago, I wasn't going through that. But just raking my fingers through my hair, I will show you how much is coming out. You guys can see that. And so when I rake my hands through my hair, it does continue to happen. Prior to about 2 to 3 weeks ago, I wasn't having that happen, so I wasn't in the postpartum shedding situation. And I know that this is more that then would come out if I was just, you know, having my hair in its natural state or like in a normal situation. So postpartum shedding is here, and that's the update I wanted to give you guys. Now for the tutorial. I will be using these gray Flexi rods. As you can see, I have my wide tooth comb as well as my thin rat tail comb, and I do have my brush as well, just in case I need it. How I will be doing this is in kind of like chunky sections. I'm going to part my hair down the center. As you can see, I think I got that part right. And then I'm going to section my hair off into 2 more sections. So I kind of have the 4 sections going that everybody uses to do every style. So this is going to be 1 section. I have 1 section in the back. Now I have all 4. I'm going to take a section, and I want my sections to be pretty large just because I don't want to have too much hair to do. So that is going to be 1 Flexi rod. Now, for this, what we are going to do is take the leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to take a little bit of that because you don't want your hair to revert. One of the biggest mistakes that people make is putting too much product on their hair and having it revert if you're trying to do a style on dry hair and you have natural hair. And I'm going to take just a little bit of mousse as well, just to help this set. So what we are doing is making sure our hair is hydrated as well as taking to the actual style. So just a little bit of foam. And when you put this foam on your hair, it is going to start having your hair revert back a little bit. So you want to make sure that you have your comb handy. And so you're just going to comb down. And then you want to take your Flexi rod and you want to take this end, turn this way. I'll put a little bit more leave-in on the bottom just to smooth out that bottom. That's a little bit better. So you're going to take it and you're going to put it on the bottom of the Flexi rod and you're going to wrap the end around like this. And then you're going to take the hair and make sure it covers that end. So make sure it literally covers that end so you have it laid down flat. Then you're going to wrap, 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 and wrap until you get to the top. And then you are going to secure your Flexi like that. Boom, one done. I'm gonna show you guys one more. Make sure you get those ends. Then we are going to take our foam, two pumps of the foam. Put that on the hair. One thing I will say about doing these flexi rods, especially for the new moms who may be having postpartum shedding, or for people who just may have weaker edges, be a little bit more gentle when you come up to your edges, just so you aren't pulling out your hair. So again, we're taking that end, we are making sure we are laying it nice and flat, and we are going to wrap the hair over the end to secure it and also make sure it stays flat. And then we're going to wrap and wrap and wrap and come up. Get your other hairs out of the way, adjust as you need, and then tighten it. So now that you guys got the hang of how to do it, I'm going to finish and then I will be back and I'll show you the results. Bye guys. And just like that, we are pretty much done, guys. As you can see, the curls look amazing. They are soft. They are definitely bouncy. So that leave-in conditioner definitely helped to keep the hair soft. When you use foam on your hair, it has the ability to make your hair stiff, but stiff where? Stiff where? There is no stiff hair here. It's definitely a lot of motion. So I'm gonna show you guys really quickly how I take the curls out. You wanna start with just a little bit of oil on your hands, and then you want to take a curl. I already did those. You want to take a curl, find the center of the curl and just pull down, and you see how easily that came out. When you find the center of the curl, your curls will come out or separate without running into any knots or anything like that. So boom, just easy like that. And the curls snap back. So you can have that fullness that you're looking for in your flexi rod set and not have any problems. Boom, just like that. And I honestly think another helpful part of the curls separating so easily is because my hair is so soft from adding the leave-in conditioner to the style. So yeah, guys, that is it. I'm going to take the rest of these out, fluff a little bit, and come back with the finished product. Okay, guys, I'm back. I gave myself a little bit of a side part and went through and just fluffed a little bit so I kind of have a bang. And when you fluff this, you want to kind of take your fingers, put it at the roots and lift a little bit and just agitate the roots. It'll make it bigger. Don't come down and agitate the curls because you do want your curls to hold. So there you go. There's my finished results. And as you guys can see, super soft, super hydrated, and super movable, which I really think it's because of that leave-in, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, bye guys.